Hi guys, this is a classic problem, today's problem of the daily challenge. Best time to buy and sell a stock. So let's read the problem first. Yeah, you have an array where you're given the prices of a stock on every day. Okay, you're allowed to do one transaction, buy and then sell. That's it. What is the maximum profit you can make? Now, this is a very popular question as well. So look at this example. The prices on the different days are given 7, 1, 5, 3, 6 and 4, right? I'll just zoom in, much better. So what's the maximum profit you can buy? You can have two rules: buy as cheap as possible, sell as expensive as possible, right? That's what you'll think. But notice here, the cheapest is 1, the most expensive is 7. Is it possible to do that? No, you have to buy before you sell. Okay, so here we reach 1. Now on the right side of 1, what is the highest selling price I can achieve? 6. So that's the price I'll sell it. So just to make this clear, most easy when you make a diagram in these problems. Let 7 be this tall, 1 is a tiny guy, 5 is this size, 3 is little shorter than 5, 6 is a little taller than 5, and finally 4 little taller than 3. Now we want the maximum profit. So we'll travel through this array. Anytime we find someone small, the smallest guy till now, whoever is the smallest guy till now, he'll be our buying price, right? So he's the smallest guy. So I'll buy at this position. So I've bought it at 1. Now I travel here. His value is 5. Is he smaller than 1? No. But what about the profit? If I sold at this point, what's my profit? If I sold at this very second, what is my best profit? 5 minus the smallest value till now. So that profit would become 4. Great. Now let's go to 3. Okay, 3 minus the smallest value till now. Profit would be 2. It's not bigger than 4. Now I go to 6. If I sold at this day, what is my profit? 5, which is bigger than 4. So cancel 4 and put 5 in your answer. Now 4 comes. If I sold on this day, what is my profit? 4 minus 1, which is 3, not bigger than 5. So that's it. I'm going to show you the code in the most simple, clean and understanding manner that I can, right? I am basically just doing one thing. Keeping track of the best price to buy till now. Okay, I'm a greedy guy. I just want to know what is the best price I can buy up to now. And if I sell on this day, what's the profit? If I sell on each day, I'll check what's the profit if I sell on that day. So first of all, I'll keep track of two things. What is the minimum value so up till now, and what is my profit, right? So let's go through the array from 0 to n, and every time we'll see if I can update my profit with the minimum, the current price. So if I sell on this day, okay, if I sell here, then what happens when I sell over here is this will be the selling price, this will be the buying price, the minimum value so far. So this difference between these will become my profit. Is this new profit bigger than the old profit? If so, update the profit answer to store this new profit, right? Now let's look at what else. One other line of code. We have to keep track of the minimum value up till now. How will we do that? Simple. Minimum value up till now is equal to minimum of minimum value up till now and the current value. At the end, you return the profit. You're thinking this code is really looking simple, but it is that simple, right? That's it. Around 5 lines of code. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. To summarize, keep track of the best buying price up till now, okay? And at every step, check if I sold at this point, what will be my profit. So let me make this easier to understand. Int if I sold today, right? And then I'll just take the max of if I sold today and profit. I hope you get this concept, and please, yeah, all the best. Thanks for watching.